Hello, wonderful friends! It's Amina, and today we're diving into the magical world of toys. Are you excited? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a fantastic journey of fun and play. First things first, let's talk about the incredible variety of toys out there. From dolls to cars, animals to puzzles, toys come in all shapes and sizes. What's your favorite type of toy? Share it with me in the comments. Now, let me introduce you to a beloved friend of mine. This cuddly buddy is not just a toy, it's a friend you can hug and share adventures with. Do you have a favorite toy friend? Time for some fun and games with our toys. How about organizing a race with toy cars or solving puzzles together? Playing with toys not only brings joy, but also helps us learn and grow. Remember, just like us, toys need a little TLC too. Regular cleaning and maintenance keep our toys happy and healthy. Let's explore some easy tips for taking care of our favorite playmates. Now, let's unleash our creativity and make our own toys at home. With simple materials, we can craft something amazing. Ready to discover the joy of DIY toys? Let's get crafty. Before we wrap up, I want to know, what's your all-time favorite toy? Is it a special action figure, a colorful puzzle, or something else? Share your favorites in the comments, and let's celebrate the world of toys together. What an incredible journey through the world of toys. If you had as much fun as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic adventures. Until next time, stay playful, stay curious, and keep the joy alive. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.